Good morning, winners. Look, welcome to Terry's Tips. Guys, get a notebook, get a pen, because I'm about to tell you how you can get up to $150,000, y'all, in 3 easy steps. Okay, so I'm going to talk about Fundbox today. Write that down. Fund, F-U-N-D, box. Not Fundbox. That's a different website. Okay, guys, and in this video, I'm going to tell you, what types of financing they have, what you need to qualify, and how it works. Okay, and for my newbies, hey, y'all. Guys, my name is Terry. I'm a self-employed entrepreneur, mother, YouTuber, but more importantly, personal and business credit guru. I would love for you to be part of our Terry's Tips community. I focus on wealth building, leveraging your personal and business credit to build wealth, have assets, have the lifestyle you deserve. Guys, I upload brand new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. So make sure you subscribe and share this video so you can help and bless somebody else, guys. And I will do my nugget at the end. So first, guys, Fundbox. Write this down. This is business credit for small businesses, for big businesses, for entrepreneurs, for investors, guys. Fundbox has to be, like, hands down, guys, one of the easiest lines of credit or term loan companies that I have seen so far. Like, I even have them myself, and I kind of always just keep them open because I know they're kind of easy to kind of draw from, okay? So Fundbox. What type of financing do they have, guys? They're mostly well known for their lines of credit, and they go up to $150,000, guys. $150,000 for their lines of credit. And they also have term loans. But guys, I always talk about your lines of credit being the most amount of flexibility because you can use it, pay it back. Use it, pay it back. Use it, pay it back. So if you have strategy and you're being smart with what you're using the money for, guys, a good line of credit can open up a ton of doors for you guys. Okay, so lines of credit and term loans. Now the 3 steps, I'll outline the steps and then I'll go through everything you need. When you're applying for Fundbox, step number 1, you're going to their website, you're applying. This first process, the beginning of it, is just entering information in about your business. Guys, this is where you want to look fundable and credible on paper, right? So you're making sure that you have a DUNS and you have an EIN. You must have a business checking account. Write that down. If you do not have a business checking account, go get one first and then come back and apply for Fundbox, guys, okay? Because they're actually going to deposit the money into your business checking account, guys. 2 reasons why I love Fundbox. Number 1, simple, easy application process. Like, literally, it takes minutes, guys. Then you can get to $150,000. And then the second thing is their funding time. You could apply today, get approved today, and then go through the steps and get your money in like the very next day, depending on when you apply and how smooth the process is. 24, 48 hours, guys. So quick, easy approvals, fast funding up to $150,000. So entering information in about your business. Guys, you want to make sure that your EIN name, business name, and address matches your business bank account, matches your DUNS, matches the articles of incorporation. What I'm finding, because Fundbox is so flexible and so easy to get, when people are getting denied, is usually for this part right here. Your business information is not matching everywhere. And guys, that's a crazy reason to get denied. So just check all your stuff and make sure it's congruent everywhere, because that's huge for business credit. So information about your business. Now, the second step is going to be to link your business bank account. So you can do this 2 ways, guys. You're either going to link your business bank account, and they have a software process through Plaid, I believe it is, that's going to actually walk you through that. Or, guys, if you have like a business, like a payroll software or like an accounting software or something of that nature, you can actually link it to the actual software. Another tip right here, guys, is that you can link multiple accounts. Yes, guys, you can link more. So if you have a couple different business accounts, if you have your money going a couple of different places, guys, you can link as many business accounts, I think up to like 3 or 4 business accounts to this actual application process. And obviously, right, the more revenue you show, the more money you're going to get approved for. Tip right here, guys, is that they're looking at your revenue. One reason why I'm outlining them is because they don't have super strict requirements as far as length of time in business, the type of business you are, even like your personal or business credit scores. So they are looking at those things, but they are looking at your revenue. So what do I tell you guys? Really, like the last 3 months or so, guys. And so if you have like the last 90 days strong, Read it between the lines. If you're able to put some money in your business bank accounts, if you've gotten some money from somewhere else, show some strong revenue for at least 90 days. That will help you get up to the $150,000, guys. Okay, and then the last step is going to be step number 3 is going to be to actually pick your terms. So write this down, guys. 12 to 24 months for Fundbox, and specifically for their lines of credit. When you get the money, whether it's 100,000, 20,000, 10,000, 50,000, usually your payback terms are going to be anywhere between 12 and 24 months. Pay attention. If you get a big amount, you're also going to be paying it back a little bit aggressively because usually it's only between a 12 to 24 month time frame. However, once you pay it back, guys, then you're able to draw from it again. So be smart about this. So they're super transparent, guys. Their dashboard, this is another tip, is super user friendly. So one reason why I like them also is because of transparency. They will tell you what your payment is. Is it weekly? Is it bi-weekly? Is it monthly? What the rate is? You'll be able to pick whether you want 12 months or 24 months. Obviously, guys, nugget, pick the longer time frame, and then that way you kind of have lower payments. That way it gives you some flexibility. But if you're able to pay it off quicker, then do that. Okay. Now, some other things about Fundbox, and I'll tell you their approval criteria. No origination fees for their term loans. There's no application fee to apply. There's no subscription fees. There's no fees for inactivity. They don't even have any repayment penalties, guys. So this is one reason why I like them, guys. A lot of literally Fundbox should be one of the very first things, especially if you're a new business owner or new to business credit. It should be one of the things. It should be a slam dunk for you. Really, really, really. Okay, so I like the fact they don't have a whole bunch of fees. Another tip right here, guys, is for their credit scores. So it is initially a soft inquiry. Yes. Okay. So you can just go through this process and it'll be a soft inquiry. They only do, guys, a hard inquiry one time. How many times, Terry? One time, guys, when you do your first initial draw. Okay. So be mindful of that. However, if you have one hard inquiry, but it resulted in $20,000, $50,000, $100,000, that was a smart use. It was worth it. So then be wise with that money. Okay, guys? Another hack. Now, this is a hack that I actually learned from one of the reps. Guys, if you get a line of credit from Fundbox, right, you're not able to really ask for more money. What they actually do is kind of do a banking review every 90 days or so. However, let's say you got a line of credit from Fundbox. Follow me, guys. You got a line of credit from Fundbox. You used it. You paid it back. You haven't really had a need for it for a while, so you don't even log in, you don't do anything. Guys, it will disconnect your bank account sometimes because if you haven't kind of been active in there, and then they can't do account reviews. So if you want to be constantly kind of reviewed for more money, make sure that once you get Fundbox, whether you use it or not, that you log in at least once a month and kind of look around, just log in so your account stays active so that your business bank account stays linked. Yes, y'all, that means that all of a sudden you're approved for $10,000. Then all of a sudden you'll get an email you're approved for $20,000. Then all of a sudden you'll get an email you're approved for $50,000. Why? Because your business bank accounts have stayed linked to their system and they're doing periodic assessments, soft inquiries to evaluate your banking activity and will automatically increase, you guys. Automatically, just based on some of your banking revenue and based on your banking deposits and activity. Game changer. Okay, guys, and the requirements. This is awesome. You only have to be in business, y'all, for 6 months. That's considered brand new business, startup business. Only 6 months. You have to be a US-based company, be incorporated at least 6 months. This is why I tell you, even if you have not launched your business, at least incorporate. I don't care if you incorporate right now and you plan on launching a business in summer of 2022. When you're ready to get up and running with your business, you will already have 6 months of incorporation. Then you can go ahead and apply for something like Fundbox. Come on, somebody, and use your business credit to actually fund and launch your business. 6 months, guys, US-based credit score. Only need to be a 600. Boom! Listen, I need sound effects on my videos. That's nothing, guys. If you have at least a 600 credit score, you can qualify for Fundbox. That's why I said it's one of the easiest ones to get, guys, as a soft inquiry initially. If you don't have a 600, go to the description of my video and enroll in Credit Leverage Lifestyle or sign up for a credit jumpstart strategy session so I can help you get to a 600, 680, okay? There's always a solution, guys. And then they are looking for like about 100,000 in revenue, which is about, I don't know, like $8,000 a month, something like that in your business bank account. So what did I say? They're reviewing like the last 3 months or so, guys. So that's not super crazy. To be honest, a lot of the companies that do lines of credit understand that lines of credit are unsecured debt. It's not secured by a property, not secured by a car, not secured by equipment. So it's high risk to them. You are high risk as a brand new company. You're high risk, honestly, if you have a 600 credit score or no business credit. So they want you to at least have some revenue. So you're showing what? You have the ability to pay the money back because it's unsecured. If they give you $50,000 and your business bank account shows you have $1,000 a month in there in revenue, well, it says to the lender, you may look great on paper, but you don't have the money to pay them back. So guys, understand the logic. It's unsecured money. You must have the revenue to pay it back. So 100,000 revenue, 600 credit score, US based, 6 months incorporation. Easy breezy cover girl. Okay? So that's it. The 3 steps. You're applying for a line of credit and putting in information about your business and making sure it matches everywhere. You have an EIN, you have a DUNS, you have a business checking account, okay? You're then linking your business banking information or your business bank accounting software. And then number 3, you're choosing your actual terms. You can get funded in 24, 48 hours. The application process, the soft inquiry, takes a couple of minutes. Boom! Okay, guys, and for my nugget, me and my mentor were talking about this the other day. Some of you, and I need you to hear me, I'm saying it with love, y'all. Some of you are not where you want to be and have not reached that next level because you're not coachable and you're not trainable. Yup, I said it just like that. Like literally, this is one thing my very first mentor told me. He was like, you can't reach out to somebody that has a different result that you look up to, that you're asking to mentor you or coach you or give you advice, and they tell you what to do, and then you don't do it. Or you always have a question, or you always want to challenge it, or you always want to say, well, I know this and I know that. Well, if you know it all, then why'd you reach out for help? Real talk. Sometimes we need iron sharpens iron. Stop saying you want to be another level. When somebody wants to give you some advice or correct you or coach you, you're offended or you know the answer. That's fine. If you know the answer, then you didn't need a coach. Go ahead and do it on your own. But you must be coachable and trainable if you want to get to this next level. And when you are asking people to give you advice and to help you, take heed to what they're saying, because they're usually saying it out of love because they've been there, done that. They're trying to speed up the process for you and save you from making mistakes that they may have made. You must be coachable and trainable. One thing I tell all of my mentees and my mentors have told me, and I have practiced every single day, is sometimes when I'm speaking, I am the expert in the room. Sometimes I am the humble student. Come on, somebody, okay? So this is where great leaders are great students. One thing about me and my coaches, when they tell me to do something, I do it like that without question because I trust their judgment. You must be coachable and trainable. Amen? All right, guys, I hope that was helpful. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and have a super amazing day on purpose.